Hi, to switch between dark and light mode on the iPhone 13, we will need to unlock the phone first and go in its settings. Here, just scroll a bit to go in the display and brightness, and now in the upper panel you can see two modes, light and dark. So in the dark mode, your screen will be black and the text will be white, and in the light, reverse. You can also set this automatic option. Go in the options and select one of two, sunset to sunrise, or set your own custom schedule. So select time for the light mode here, just swipe up or down to select the right time, and do just the same for the dark mode. And also, to easily reach this feature, you can simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. Here, just press this brightness tab and you will see the dark mode. If it's white, then the dark mode is enabled. If you tap it again, it will be disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.